all the sides will be equal in length, hence rhombus. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, I'm keeping this much over here. We will be continuing from the next question in the next class. Today, just do this much practice and let me know in the next class that if you are having any doubt anywhere. Okay, so yes, I'm keeping this much over here, and yeah, thank you everyone. Take care of yourself. Let's
Thank you, ma'am.
continue it in the next class. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Take care. Yes, Rayan, please wait. I'll be starting. Hi Rayan, hi Aleph. How are you both?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, surface area and volume we had started over here. Okay, let's continue with the same. Formula already we had discussed in the last class. We had also done question number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, today we are going to take question number 4. A conical tent is 10-meter high. Whenever it says 10-meter high, can you see the screen? Yes, can you see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay, a
Yes, ma'am.
conical tent is 10-meter high and the radius of the base is 24-meter. So whenever it is talking about the height, we will be taking the actual height. Okay, this height. As you know, in a cone, there are two height. One is slant height and one is this height. If you are thinking, what is this height? So actually, this height is the perpendicular. If you will keep the birthday cap on the floor. Okay, suppose you are keeping the birthday cap on the floor. So there will be a perpendicular height, right? Suppose I'm just keeping the birthday cap. I cannot show you for now. Suppose I'm keeping the birthday cap on the floor or maybe on any flat surface on the bed or maybe on the table. Okay. So we will be able to have a, okay, from the tip inside the birthday cap. Okay. You both understand Hindi?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So inside the birthday cap, the like the tip, the vertex. Okay, this is the vertex A. Okay, and the ground or maybe the table. There will be a virtual line which you can draw perpendicular to the table. That height is the height which we take as a h. Or maybe you can assume inside the birthday cap, if you will place a scale, okay, or maybe a pen or maybe a stick like this, so your birthday cap is like this, like this. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Is it making sense? The birthday
Yes,
cap
ma'am.
looks like this, like this. Okay, and this is the perpendicular height. Okay, we are talking about this height. However, there is one more height over here that's called slant height. Slant height will be taking when it says, when it is talking about the slant height, then only we are going to take L. Otherwise, height means H. Height in the cone related question means H only. So a conical tent is 10-meter high. That means height is given as a 10-meter. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
And radius of the base is 24-meter. That means R is given as a 24-meter. Find the slant height. L you have to find. Okay, L you have to find. So inside the cone, you have to understand that you will be having a right angle triangle. Actually, cone, okay, how we will be getting a cone now? Suppose you are having a circular surface, okay, a flat surface. On its circular surface, you will be having a perpendicular or straight line, a perpendicular like this. And then we end up getting the cone like this. Is it making sense? Is it making the sense? Like, is it making sense?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so inside the cone, you will be having a right angle triangle. Why? Because this height is perpendicular to the table. Okay, this is the table. This is the table on which you have placed this cap. Okay, this height is perpendicular to the table, or if you will keep on the ground, this height is perpendicular to the ground. That's why we take it as a right angle triangle over here. There is a right angle triangle over here where this is the height, this is the r, and this is the slant height. Making sense? Now we can use
Yes, ma'am.
Pythagoras theorem. If any of the two is given and third we have to find, easily we will be able to find by using Pythagoras theorem, because it's a right angle triangle. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will be taking this triangle. You can name it triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, already the height is given. Actually, there is a relation that L square is equals to H square plus R square. You don't even have to take the triangle and all. You can directly say that you understand there is a rule. The rule says L square is equals to H square plus R square. From where it came? It came from the right angle triangle. Okay, the Pythagoras theorem concept. Okay, from where the right angle triangle came? It came from the perpendicular height due to that logic. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is also a formula. Whenever any two is given and we are supposed to find the third data, we can use this straightforward formula. Okay, we will not say we understand it's a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem or anything. We will directly take the formula and we will use it, that we know L square is equals to H square plus R square, and I am telling you the formula came from Pythagoras theorem only. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to find the slant height, that is L. You can use the straightforward formula. You can put the H value over here. You can put the R value over here. Just be careful. Your H and R, the units needs to be same. Okay, and you will end up having L square is equals to H square. That means this plus R square. That means this. And now you just have to do the calculation to take out the L value we want to find, not L square. So first of all, you will be doing the calculation. 10 square will be 100 and 24 square will be, please do the squaring and tell me what are you going to get. Yes, Nikhil. We are doing question number 4. Okay. And just now I have introduced a formula, that is L square is equals to H square plus R square. From where this formula came, so I was explaining, when you will keep the birthday cap on the table, okay, there will be a perpendicular height which is coming from the vertex until the table. Okay, you can think of it like this. Suppose this is the table. Okay, this my hand is the table. On this table I have placed a pen or maybe a stick, and on this stick we are having the birthday cap lying like this. So this is the perpendicular height. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the perpendicular height, which is H. When you will just look inside the birthday cap, you won't be able to see this height, but actually this height we take perpendicular from the vertex till the flat surface. You can keep the birthday cap on the floor or maybe on the table to understand what will be the perpendicular height. And since this height is perpendicular to the ground, that's why we are getting a right angle triangle over here. That is, this is H, this is R, and the slant height is L. And from here, by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, there exists a formula, that is L square is equals to H square plus R square. We are using this formula in straightforward manner. We'll be using the formula. We will be using the formula. We don't have to give the declaration that it came from Pythagoras theorem, or we understand the height is the perpendicular height. Don't have to say anything. We will just use the formula and we will find the slant height. Yes, L value I told you to find. Yes, Nikhil, number 4, L value you have to find by using this formula. Given that H is 10 meter and R is 24 meter.
Ma'am, now I'm outside for an appointment, doctor appointment, so I'll not be able to speak, but yeah, ma'am, I listen.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can just, yes, Yes, no worries. Yes, LF, you please calculate the L value. And yes, Ryan, please calculate the L value. Yes, Nikhil, it's completely okay. Okay, you can keep yourself on mute. And yeah, I'll be explaining over here. Whatever is not clear, just let me know.
Ma'am, how to calculate the L value?
See, L square is equals to H square plus R square. Your H is 10. So you are
Yeah.
dropping 10 square plus 24 square. 10 square will be 100. 24 square you have to do manually because you are not allowed to use calculator, right? Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So yes, please do it. 24 square is what? And then we will be adding it with 100. So I'm doing it quickly. I can see 24 square is 576. Okay. 576 plus 100 will be 676. That is L square. And you need to find L. Square root chapter was there in your previous class, and that chapter taught you that either you can find a square root. Okay. L will be the square root of 676. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Okay, in your previous class, you have learned that you can find a square root. There are two ways to find the square root. One of the way is long division method, and another method is by doing prime factorization. So you can think about doing prime factorization or maybe long division method if that you are able to recall. Okay, if you will do prime factorization, you will be able to understand that 676 you can just do like this: 2 3 times 6, 2 3 times 6, to 8 times 16. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then again you can take 2, 2, 1 times 2, 2 6 times 12. Okay, and 2 9 times 18. Now you can't take 2. Can we take 3? No. But if you will able to recall, 169 is the square of 13. Do you know 13 into 13 is 169? No.
Mm.
Okay, you don't know, but okay, 13 table will divide 169. You can check it. 13 table will divide 169. If you will check with 2, no. Okay, 2 cannot divide 169, 3 cannot divide 169, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. No number can divide it except 13. It will be 13 1 times 13, 13 3 times 39. Can you see? Okay, so if we are getting 169, the last step over here, you can take now 13, and 13 times 169, again you can take 13. So prime factorization method if you are using, then this much effort you have to give. Otherwise long division method is the easiest, okay, way to find the square root. Here you are going to get inside the root, you will be getting 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. Are you understanding from where I am writing this 2 into 2, 13 into 13?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are checking the pair. 2 into 2 is there, 2 is in pair, and 13 is in pair. 1 2 will come out, 113 will come out, and the answer is 32 times 26. So L value, the slant height we have found as a 26 meter. Is it clear? By using
Yes.
the formula, L square is equals to H square plus R square. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now the next part, cost of the canvas required to make the tent. Yes, Ryan, is it making sense? The L value.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost of a canvas required to make the tent. If the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. See, in such question, if you are not getting what exactly you have to do, okay? I'm not getting what to do. After reading the statement, part 2, question number 4, part 2, I'm not getting what to do over here. So
Yeah.
I'll read it carefully. Cost of the canvas
Yeah.
required to make the tent. If the cost of 1 meter square, 1 meter square canvas
One.
is rupees 70. So meter square is the unit of area, right?
Yeah.
Meter square is the unit of area. That means area we have to find. Okay, area we have to find. But now we will be thinking, but we have two area. Okay, curved surface area and the total area. The curved surface area for the cone, last day we were discussing that for a conical shape, the curved surface area formula is pi RL. Curved surface means all the curved part, that area. And total surface area means including this lid area. This is circular in shape. So total surface area formula was pi r square. Okay, this pi RL plus pi r square, where we can take pi r common and it will be L plus R. This is the formula for total surface area. And this is the formula for just curved surface area, right?
Yeah.
Pi RL is the formula for curved surface area, and total surface area formula is this one. So if area we have to find, then which area, curve or total? So read the statement carefully. It says that cost of canvas required to make the tent. If you are, just suppose, okay, just at your home you are having a tent house. Okay, you have made a tent house. So tent house looks like this, right? Okay, now you will just be making the tent house like this, right? Inside the tent house, okay, the circular lid, at first you are not going to think about that, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for making the tent house, first of all, only the curved surface area is required, right? Right. Just think about a birthday cap. If you are having the birthday cap, you are just having the curved surface area, because at the end it is just complete, nothing is there, no lid is there. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so same thing. First, whenever uh, I'm getting the idea to let's make a tent house, and if I'll make a tent house, first of all I'll be thinking about the tent, not the bedding inside. Yes or no? Right. Here
Yeah.
also we have to think about the same tent, that how much canvas is required. So this canvas, okay, here canvas will be there, the here, this tent house, to create the tent house, inside that circular lid we don't have to think about that. Okay, we just have to take the curved surface area over here. So again I'm summarizing, after reading the statement I was not getting what to do over here. Then I realize here 1 meter square cost is given. Meter square, that is the unit of the area. So maybe we have to find the area. Now, which area? Curved surface area or total surface area? So the canvas of the tent, that means curved surface area we have to find, until or unless it is specifically given in the question that you have to take the circular lid as well, or maybe the bedding as well of the tent, or maybe the flooring as well of the tent house. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so curved surface area, we are going to take the curved surface area. Formula for curved surface area is pi RL. We already know that in this exercise, clearly in initially it was written that take pi as a 22 by 7. In this question, it is written that take r as a r, the radius of the base is 24 meter. And just now we have found the L value by doing the square root and all, which was really difficult for us, but we found it anyway. And we got L value as a 13. And now we will just be doing the calculation to take out the area first. Area first. Okay, we are not done with the answer, because answer we have to find the cost. Making sense? So here we'll be doing the calculation, and I can clearly see the terms will not cancel out each other completely. Okay, so you can just do the multiplication, which will be a huge number. Okay, we don't have any other way. Now we will say if the cost of 1 meter square, whatever area we will be getting, that answer will be in meter square. Meter square. Okay, let me check what will be the answer. 22 into 24 into 13 is there.
Yeah.
So a huge number we are getting. Okay, 6864 by 7 and all. I can see nothing is cancelling out each other. This much meter square we are getting. Now we will say if 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees. For 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees. So for this much meter square will be this much into 70, right? If 1 kg sugar cost is 70 rupees, then I'll tell you find the price for 5 kg sugar. If 1 kg sugar price is for 70 rupees, and if I am telling you find the price for 5 kg sugar, you will be saying 5 into 70. Then I will say no, no, no. Find the price for 8 kg of sugar. So you will say 8 into 70. If I say no, no, no. Find the price for 100 kg of sugar, you will say 100 into 70. Similarly, if 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees, then then we have to find the price for this much meter square, that is 6864 by 7. Meter square cost will be this into 70. Is it making sense? Is it making sense? Yes. Ryan, are you getting? LF, are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. Please write the steps properly. I'm going to give you time now to do this question properly. Understanding the question is important. Then noting down the solution in one place, maintaining a notebook is really important so that before the exam, everything, your mind will not keep all the data. Okay. It's not capable of keeping these many data. Okay, so you need to note it down in a place so that again and again you can revise it, again and again you can get back to it and you can revise it. Okay, if you will revise it so many times, then only your mind will retain the data. Okay, so please note it down. Question number 4, part 1, I have explained you how to find the L value, which is over here, okay, by using the formula. And part 2, just now I have explained you that you have to find the curve surface area. Answer also I have calculated for you. Okay, you have to find the total cost. So you will say for 1 meter square the cost is 70 rupees. For 6864 by 7 meter square, cost will be 6864 by 7 into 70. Do it and then we will be doing the next question. Yes, please do it, Ryan, LF. Are you done? Yes, Rayan. And Aleph, are you done with 4? Yes, Aleph, are you done? Can you hear me? Are you done with number 4? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ray. Yes, Rayan, are you done?
Yes.
Yes. If you are done, then let's take the next question. Okay, this is our next question. Number 5. Can you see on this screen number 5? It says what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide. Okay, what is tarpaulin? Tarpaulin is a material. Okay, just like a sheet or material you are having, which is 3 meter wide, will be required. A tarpaulin, a sheet we are having. Okay, which is 3 meter wide, will be required to make a conical tent. Out of this sheet, we are making a conical tent of height 8 meter. Height means this height, h, and the base radius 6 meter. What length of the tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height this and base this? Okay. Assume that extra length of the material that will be required for a stitching margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. So extra length which is required is extra length is there. Okay. First of all, we will come to the extra length part. First of all, are you understanding? Just a moment, no, let me show you. First of all, just like this, we are having a sheet, okay, a tarpaulin. And out of this tarpaulin, I am going to make a cone. Which looks like this. Can you see the conical structure? Can you see it? Can you see it? Making sense? Making
Yes,
sense.
ma'am.
It's a cone. So the area of the tarpaulin, area of the sheet, area of the sheet completely, I'm using to make the cone. Okay. Area of the sheet must be equal to the curved surface area of the cone. Yes or no? Because in this cone still I have not taken any base, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So area of the tarpaulin I am using to make the curved surface area of the cone. Why just curved surface area? Because in question it doesn't say that take the bottom also. Okay, that's why I'm just making the conical structure just like a birthday cap. Out of this tarpaulin we are making a conical tent. Okay, so we will see that area of the sheet, area of tarpaulin is equal to area. Area means the curved surface area of the cone. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Now, tarpaulin area, it's a rectangular in shape because it is talking about the length, it is talking about the width. That means tarpaulin must be a rectangle. If it is a rectangle, then area formula is length into breadth. Length we don't know. I have taken it as a L. Breadth is 3. Clear?
Yes.
That is equals to curved surface area of the cone. That is curved surface area formula. Just now we have seen that was pi RL. Okay. Now, do we know, do we have all the data available in the cone? So I can see the cone. Okay. My figure I'll see. In the cone, height is h. Height h is 8 meter. Radius r is 6 meter. Okay. And L is not there. But just now we have realized that there is a formula. We can use the formula. We know. We can say we know. Okay, L square is equals to uh, h square plus r square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, from there we can find L. But why we will find L? So that we can find the curved surface area of the cone. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, we have to find L again, and again you will be dealing with those square roots and all, long division method, or maybe the prime factorization method. You will be having over here 8 times 64, 6 times 36, both added together 6 4 10 0 carry 1, 6 7 8 9 1 10. Oh yeah, this is really simple. If L square is 100, that means L will be 10. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 10 meter we got. 10 meter we got. Now we will drop the values over here. Pi, strictly it is written in this question that take pi as a 3.14. Otherwise, we were about to take the pi value as a 22 by 7. But it is written in the question that take pi as a 3.14. Can you see question number 5? The last part, it says take pi as a 3.14.
Yes.
Okay, so we will be taking pi as a 3.14. R we will be taking as a 6, and L we will be taking as a 10. Then we will do the calculation. Okay, 3 into L is there on the other side. So what are we trying to do? We are trying to find the length of the tarpaulin. From where? By using the condition that the complete sheet has been used to make the cone. Okay, and from here we will be getting the length. We will be doing the simplification like this: 3.14 into 6 into 10 over 3. We will be getting the length of the tarpaulin: 3 2 times 6. Okay, 4 2 times 8, 2 1 times 2, 3 2 times 6, 6.28 into 10. That means 62.8 meter. That is the length of the tarpaulin, right? Now, in this question, we are not done yet. We are not done yet. It says that assume that the extra length of the material. Okay, we need to read the question carefully. But for now, just tell me whether this much is making sense to all of you or not.
Yes.
Okay, if you are understanding this much, then I'll take the next part. Okay, the next part says that assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for a stitching margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter length was there, which has gone already. 20 centimeter length was there. In this tarpaulin sheet, okay, there was some extra length. There was some extra length. Yes, width was still same, 3 meter only, but there was some extra length, which was 20 centimeter, which gone, okay, which was going in the wastage, cutting, and maybe stitching the margin.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so 20 centimeter is going in the waste, just completely getting wasted. Okay, and what we were supposed to find over here, what length of the tarpaulin, the complete length of the sheet. So we are able to see the part which is going in wastage, that is fine, but at least the part which has been used to make the cone, that length is 62.8, right?
Yeah.
The part of, okay, in this sheet, okay, I will cut down the sheets and all, and I'll be having proper structure, and then I'll make the cone. Okay, so the whatever cutting part is going and the wasting part is going, that is fine. Okay, that is going in the garbage, that is fine. But the part which I am using to make the cone, that length we have found as a 62.8. Making sense or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, originally the actual length of the sheet, suppose this is the sheet. Okay, I have taken out this much, I have taken out this much length, this much length. I'm going to cut it out. Okay, I'll throw it, and then we'll make a cone. Okay, so we have compared that area of the sheet and the area of the cone is same, and length we got is a 62.8. Now if anybody will come and ask me, but actually what was the length when you bought it from the market? Okay, what length of the sheet you bought from the market, the tarpaulin sheet or the this rectangular sheet which I'm talking about? So I will take the part, the cutting part, and I'll see that is 20 centimeter, and this much length I have used 62.8 centimeter. This actual length I have used to make the cone. So I will check 62.8 plus 20 centimeter. This was the complete length when I bought the sheet from the market. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But this is in meter, that is in centimeter. So we will convert 20 centimeter in meter so that I can add and can tell the proper length. So I will say 20 centimeter means 20 centimeter means 20 by 100. That means 0.2 meter. And actually, when I bought it from the market, it was 62.8 plus 0.2. That means 63 meter. Making sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So actual length of the tarpaulin sheet was 63 meter, but 20 centimeter gone in the wastage, cutting, stitching, whatever. And actually we have used 62.8 meter for making the cone. The complete situation is clear to all of you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll write the last statement. We are almost done over here. Okay, we are almost done over here. Now I will write the actual length of the tarpaulin sheet is equals to 62.8 plus 20 centimeter. You need to change it and you need to write it as a 0.2 meter, and which will be 63. Here I am writing actual length of tarpaulin. You can write in the bracket without cutting and wastage. Okay, without cutting and wastage. It's 62.8 meter plus 0.2 meter. Please don't get confused from where this 0.2 came. You can write it in the bracket. 20 centimeter is equals to 0.2 meter is equals to 63 meter. And we are done. Clear?
Yes.
Please note it down.
Yeah.
And yeah, let me know once you are done. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. LF, are you done? Rayan, are you done? Yes, LF, is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Rayan, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are done, then I'll tell you with the next question. Okay, let's try understanding the next concept, which is nothing but just unitary method. Okay, so suppose you suppose one orange price is 50 rupees, and if you have to find 10 or maybe five oranges price, you will be doing the multiplication, right?
Yeah.
That is 50 into 5. That means be 250. Now the another part is, suppose you are going in the market, okay, or maybe you are going in a sweet shop, and when you are asking what is the price of one piece of any particular sweet, okay, they say that 12 pieces price
Yes.
is, suppose, let's say 144 rupees.
The
You
147.
only have to buy one piece, and you are asking them, please tell me the price of one piece, and they are so busy that they are saying we always sell, okay, the packet of 12 and the price is 144. You can calculate it by yourself if you want one, and just tell me how many you want. So you are calculating what will be the price of one piece. So do you understand, here you have to do the division, yes or no?
Yes.
And when you will do the division, you will be getting rupees 12 for one piece, yes or no?
Yes.
Coincidentally, here
Yeah.
it is coming as 12, but it can be any, okay, any number. Making sense? Division is clear.
Yes.
Now I am showing you the third situation. So the first situation, please be clear with the first situation. If one piece price is given and you want to find the price of any other number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, any other number, you have to do the multiplication. And when a bigger numbers piece, okay, bigger number like 12, 13, 14, 50, 20, 100, 2000, if that number's price is given and you just want one, just one, you have to do the basic division. Clear?
Yes.
Now the third situation, where you will be given the question in such a manner, or the situation in such a manner, that it will be given like this, that the price of 25,
Yeah.
just a second, huh? Yes, 25 oranges, it's 800
Yeah.
rupees. And you want to find the price of just 5 oranges. 5 oranges. Okay. So here you are not thinking about one. Price of 25 oranges is given and you want to buy 5, or maybe you want to buy 8 oranges. What you will
Yeah.
do? So first of all, by using this case 2, you will try finding the cost of one orange like this, and you will do the division. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let me check. 800 divided by 25 is what? You can do the cancellation, okay? 5 and all. I'm just checking. It is coming 32. Okay. So if 25 oranges price is 800, then one orange price will be 32 rupees. Clear?
Yes.
And you have to find 8 orange price. Now you will be using the case 1. If one orange is 32, then 8 orange will be 8 into 32. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the third situation. For that only I was explaining you the first one and the second one, because I understand that you already know how to do the first one, how to do the second one. But the third one is confusing when 25 orange price is given and 8 orange price is asking. Okay, different number is given, different number asked in the question. You always try coming to the one orange price, and then you can calculate any number's price. Making sense?
Yes.
Okay, if you understood everything, then you will be able to work on the next question. I'll be adding the hint for the next question and will be leaving for you. You need to try the next question by yourself. Let me show you the screen. So yes, I'm talking about question number 6 over here. Question number, 6. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical dome. That means in a cone, the slant height is given and the diameter of the base is given. Radius you will be able to find, right? Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of 210 rupees per 100 meter square. If per 1 meter square cost will be given as a 210 rupees, 1 meter square cost is 210 rupees, then I would not have explained this question to you, because here 100 meter square price is given. So first of all, you need to find the price of 1 meter square. How? You will say for 100 meter square. Just a moment. No? I'm talking about question number 6. Okay. Let me show you over here. Can you see this screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You will say for 100 meter square, the cost is given as a 210 rupees. So for 1 meter square, first find the cost, because then you will find the curved surface area of your cone. Okay, curved surface area of your cone by using this formula pi rl. Whatever the curved surface area will come, that many meter square price you have to find. So if you will be having 1 meter square price in hand, then finding for any bigger number will be easier by doing the multiplication. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if 100 meter square price is given, just to confuse you, please find the price for 1 meter square. It's like 100 orange price is given and you are trying to find one orange price. Okay,
Yeah.
so that whatever number you will be trying to find the price, easily you can just do the multiplication. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So if 100 meter square price is 210, then 1 meter square price will be 210 by 100. And when you will do the division, it will be 0 0 gone, 21 by 10, that means 2.1, right? And this is completely fine. Okay, you can write it as a just 21 by 10, or you can write it in the decimal, completely fine. You can keep the data in the fraction as well. Now whatever meter square you are getting as a curved surface area, for example, okay, I don't know what will come, but for example, if your curved surface area is, let's say, 5948 meter square, then you will be doing for 5948 meter square, price will be 5948 into 21 by 10. Making sense?
Yes.
And we are done. Just we have to do the simplification over here. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this question number 6 I am leaving for you. I have explained, I have shown all the steps till question number 5. Number 6, I have explained the concept. This question I am leaving for you. Please try it and let me know if you are having any doubt over here. I'll show you the solution as well, but I want you to try it. Okay?
Yes.
So yes, today I'm keeping this much over here. And yeah, do you want to ask anything, Rayan, Aleph, Nikhil? No? Okay, so keeping it this much, thank you everyone. Take care of yourself. Please solve the questions which I told and practice the question which I'm telling you. Exam is there, okay? You need to till this time, like after just 1 month, we'll be able to finish with the syllabus and you will start solving so many extra questions. Okay, so
Mm.
please start solving the NCRT, the first book.
Yeah.
Okay, you are having questions by yourself, example question, exercise question. Okay, please do it by yourself so that later on we can take so many extra questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, keeping
Okay.
it this much. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Take
Bye,
care.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.